to IBC 2014. My name is Tim Siddons from Blackmagic Design. I'm going to introduce you to some of the technologies we have at the show this year, in particular our camera range. I have in front of me right now a Blackmagic URSA camera, which you may have heard of. This is a new professional production camera. Hopefully you can see that. So this is the world's first user-upgradable 4K production camera. And this for us is now the pedigree camera from Blackmagic Design. It has a number of very unique features about it. The first thing you'll notice is that on the front of this camera there's a PL mount mounted onto a sensor turret. And if I just hold this way, you can see that there's screws for the turret. So this is the PL version. There's two versions, EF and PL. The EF version is shipping now. The PL version will be shipping very shortly. And it's the sensor that's behind here is a 4K global sensor, full frame. And this will record 4K up to 60 frames per second progressive. Now as more sensors come onto the market, as faster sensors and high resolution sensors come onto the market, this camera has been designed so that the sensor can be removed and a new sensor, upgraded sensor, can be added into the camera without having to change the camera body. Now the camera body has some very special features built into it. The first thing is a beautiful 10-inch display, which if I turn this around you can see. So this means that we have monitoring at 4K built into the camera, so there's no need for an additional external monitor. As it's foldable, you can easily put it away or pull it out to use. The camera's been designed into different zones so that you can have a cameraman working on this side of the camera. At the same time, you may wish to have a focus puller at the front. You can have an audio guy working on the side. So you can have 3 or 4 people working on the camera body at the same time. And the camera has 3 screens, one on this side, one on this side, and of course the monitor for preview. The screens will allow you to control different things, so settings for the camera such as white balance, format that you're recording, audio, controls, metering and scopes. So on here you'll get all the information you need relative to what it is you're trying to do, and you can have different information on either side of the camera. So you may find that on this side the audio guy, as he's recording his audio, wants to have a look at his meters, wants to have a look at scopes, he wants to check his audio levels. Whereas on the other side, somebody may want to be looking at both monitoring and camera settings, recording settings, to ensure that everything is working as it should be. So the camera's been designed for professional production in mind. It records 4K, it will record 4K RAW or 4K compressed, and it will do all flavours of ProRes in addition to RAW file 4K, and it will also record HD, either at RAW or ProRes or DNX HD. So there's a lot of choices you have on the camera. It has a V-mount on the back for power, and as you can see it has SDI in, out, genlock, ref, timecode in and out as well. So it's a very versatile, very flexible platform for production, whether you want to use it with its own sensor. There's also a version with a cheese plate on the front that then allows you to add other cameras to this, so you can use the recording mechanism and the infrastructure that's within the body and the high quality recording that this offers, but maybe with another manufacturer's camera and sensor and lens technology. So this then becomes a very powerful recording device, not just operation as a camera. So it's been designed with production in mind. It's been designed to address the needs of future production. And this for us is now the pedigree camera from Blackmagic Design and is shipping right now.
Okay, thank you very much. And one question, how you can sell it so cheap? What is the idea behind that?
How we can sell it? Well, I think the interesting thing for us is that we're not just a camera manufacturer. We make many different products, and we're able to use all of our technology in the production of a camera like this. So this is an incorporation of everything that we do. When you look at our recording technology and our understanding of recording through things like hyperdeck, when you look at our electronics and video processing technology with DeckLink, when you look at the way that we understand software processing with images with DaVinci Resolve, and how we can process those images and delayer images with Resolve, and also our current camera technology and the experience we've had with that. When you put all of that together, you end up in a situation where you have cutting-edge technology for every aspect of what's required within a camera. And because we do sell so many of those products, it means that our component purchasing is much lower than other camera manufacturers, because we have so many other products that we're selling with the same technology. So it means that we can manufacture a camera at a much lower cost cheapest than anybody else, but not compromise in terms of the quality of production, the quality of components they're inside it.